Good morning, friends. Hope you'll be enjoying your Sunday. But I have come to my classroom to prepare a video shortcuts of further topics so that you can get a lot of shortcuts for your upcoming exams. You are welcome in my YouTube channel. This is Professor Dr. R.P. Singh. आज हम लोग उसी सीरीज में उसी श्रृंखला में will continue with what shortcut of definite integration, application of definite integration, that is to find area under the curve. तो सबसे पहले मैं डेफिनेट इंटीग्रेशन का शॉर्टकट दे रहा हूं. इसमें पहला इंपॉर्टेंट शॉर्टकट क्या है? इंटीग्रल 0 to a fx upon fx plus f of a minus x dx अगर हो, यानी कोई भी फंक्शन हो और नीचे भी वही फंक्शन है प्लस फंक्शन ऑब्टेन्ड by replacing x with what? A minus x, upper limit minus x, if lower limit is what? 0. तो इसका आंसर है upper limit divided by 2. For example, इंटीग्रल 0 to pi by 2, ऊपर हमने sin x लिख दिया और नीचे sin x, और sin pi by 2 minus x becomes what? Cos x. अगर इस टाइप का फंक्शन है, ऊपर fx है, नीचे fx प्लस f of a minus x, यानी pi by 2 minus x, तो sin pi by 2 minus x becomes what? Cos x. अगर इस टाइप का फंक्शन दिया है तो इसका आंसर है pi by 2 divided by upper limit divided by 2, which is pi by 2. While teaching, I give RP Singh's pi by 4 family. A lot of members are there. When I will make videos of 12th standard, तो उस समय आपको RP Singh's pi by 4 family भी मिल जाएगा. Second one is इंटीग्रल a to b, ऊपर fx है, नीचे फंक्शन है प्लस फंक्शन ऑब्टेन्ड by replacing x with what? Sum of upper limit and lower limit minus x. तो ऐसे प्रॉब्लम का आंसर क्या हो रहा है? अपर लिमिट माइनस लोअर लिमिट, अपर लिमिट माइनस लोअर लिमिट डिवाइडेड बाय 2. फॉर एग्जांपल, इंटीग्रल पाई बाई 6 टू पाई बाई 3, ऊपर साइन एक्स है और नीचे साइन एक्स प्लस, दोनों को ऐड करेंगे, पाई बाई 6 प्लस पाई बाई 3 विल गिव यू पाई बाई 2, पाई बाई 2 माइनस एक्स, यानी साइन 90 माइनस एक्स बिकम्स व्हाट? कॉस एक्स. तो इस फॉर्म में आ गया. तो इसका आंसर क्या है? अपर लिमिट माइनस लोअर लिमिट divided by 2 will give you what? Pi by 12. ठीक है, ऐसे ही pi by 4 फैमिली की तरह one more RP6 pi by 12 family is there. While teaching 12th standard, you can see them, all the members. The next important thing is what? इंटीग्रल 0 to pi by 2 sin raised to nx dx है, which is also same as 0 to pi by 2 cos raised to nx dx. Both the integrals are equal and they are equal to अपर पावर में एक सब्ट्रैक्ट करो अपॉन पावर. अब न्यूमरेटर में दो दो सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे और डिनोमिनेटर में भी दो दो सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. n-3 अपॉन n-2, n-5 अपॉन n-4 और ये चलते जाएगा. लास्ट में 4/5 इंटू 2/3. जब ये 2/3 पे आए तो इंटू 1 कर देने का. और यही चीज किसके इक्वल होगी? n-1 अपॉन n, n-3 अपॉन n-2, n-5 अपॉन n-4 इंटू 5/6, 3/4, 1/2. जब लास्ट में 1/2 पे एंड हो तो इंटू pi/2 लिख देना है. 2/3 पे एंड हो रहा है तो इंटू 1 लिखना है और 1/2 पे एंड होगा तो pi/2. इसका मतलब इसमें n क्या है? इवन है, जबकि इसमें n क्या है? ऑड. n दिख रहा है ऑड नंबर, तो ऑड केस में इंटू 1 पे एंड हो जाता है और इवन केस में इंटू pi/2. The next part is what? Shortcut for application of definite integration. Application of definite integration. That is area bounded under curve. इसमें फर्स्ट है एरिया बिटवीन parabolas y square is equal to 4ax and x square is equal to 4by is 16ab upon 3. ये शॉर्टकट है, लेकिन ये आया कैसे? इसका प्रूफ मैं दे देता हूं. This is y square is equal to 4ax and this is x square is equal to 4by. This is required area. ये लाइन है x is equal to 0 y एक्सिस और ये लाइन हम फाइंड कर लेते हैं. ये लाइन कैसे मिलेगी? बाय सॉल्विंग इक्वेशंस. y square is equal to 4ax and x square is equal to 4by. Since solving equations y square is equal to 4ax and x square is equal to 4by, since x square is equal to 4by, so this will give you y is equal to x square upon 4b. Now we'll replace y here. Y square is equal to 4x. Replace y as what? X square by 4b. x square upon 4b square is equal to 4ax. This will give you x raised to 4 upon 16b square. You cross multiply. So 64 ab square x. Bring this term on this side. So x raised to 4 minus 64 ab square x is equal to 0. Take x common. So x cube minus 64 ab square is equal to 0. So x is 0 or x cube is what? 64 ab square. Therefore, x is 0 or x is 4 a raised to 1 by 3 b raised to 2 by 3. So this line is what? X is equal to 4 a raised to 1 by 3 b raised to 2 by 3. So required area is what? It is between x is equal to 0 to x is equal to this. So integral 0 to 4 a raised to 1 by 3 b raised to 2 by 3 fx minus dx dx. Which is equal to 0 to 4 a raised to 1 by 3 b raised to 2 by 3. Fx is what? Area bounded under y square is what? More than area bounded under x square. तो y क्या हो जाएगा? 2 root a root x. इसका y 2 root a, we are taking square root. Root x minus इसका y क्या हो जाएगा? x square upon 4b. Now 2 root a root x का इंटीग्रेशन हो जाएगा x raised to 1 by 2 plus 1 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 minus 1 by 4b will come outside. Integration of x square is what? X cube by 3. Between 0 to 4 a raised to 1 by 3 b raised to 2 by 3. Now this will become 2 into 2. 4 root a by 3. Now replace x by this upper limit. So 4 a raised to 1 by 3 b raised to 2 by 3 raised to 3 by 2 minus 1 upon 12b. Replace x by this. So 4 a raised to 1 by 3 b raised to 2 by 3 raised to 3. This way replaced x by upper limit minus, when you replace x lower limit, that is 0, it will become 0. So 4 root a by 3 raised to 3 by 2. So 2 square 8 a raised to 1 by 3 raised to 3 by 2 will give me what? Root a b raised to 2 by 3, 3 by 2 will get cancelled. So b minus 1 upon 12b. 4 cube is what? 64 a b square. 8 4 the 32 Root A into root A is what? A, B upon 3 minus, we can cancel 4. 4, 16 ja. 16 AB by 3. 32 AB minus 16 AB is what? 16 AB by 3, which I have given as a shortcut method. And how it has come, so that derivation also I have given. Second one is, second shortcut is what? Area bounded under parabola y square equal 4x and its lattice term is 8a square by 3. I'll give proof. This is shortcut. This is lattice term. Focus is what? A0. And dash is what? Lattice term. Now area is what? We will find out this area and make double. Focus of parabola is therefore equation of lattice term is x is equal to a. So required area is what? It is double of area between x is equal to 0 and x is equal to a. Y dx 2 times 0 to a. Y of parabola is what? 2 root a root x dx. 2 into 2 is what? 4. Root a you take outside. Integration of x is what? X raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. Which is what? 8 by 3. 8 by 3 root a between 0 to a. Into a raised to 3 by 2 minus 0 raised to 3 by 2 is 0. 8 by 3 a raised to 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. A square by 3. So these were shortcuts from application of definite integration. So time to time I'll be giving you some more shortcuts from the topic which I'll construct. Okay. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.